Hey guys, good morning. Just wanted to bring you a quick video of BNTX and how we plan BNTX. I'm gonna hit play here for you all to listen how it was planned this morning, and then I'll show you the trade here in a little bit as well.
Looking bullish. That said, uh, all that scare, all that shit that we talked about last week about unicorn variant on COVID or whatever that thing called, obviously is no longer the case because BNTX is gapping down here. All the VAC stocks are getting hammered here. Myrna's down 8%. And I have these stock. I think these stocks are in play today. Um, you get it, obviously they're super volatile. BNTX is down 6.5%, and a nice gap because this thing was getting ready to blast higher, and it is gapping down to 322 with the room to about 300. So right here under this green bar, I don't know if there's any support here, but if it breaks this area, I think we get to 305 pretty quickly. Look at the Myrna. Myrna was already looking bad, so that's like an island reversal in Myrna with support down here right around 274. So you got about $10. Not a very good support area on Myrna, but I think it's 21 period moving average. But move to 200 is in the card. Novavax was already getting hammered, and this is a daily 1, 2, 3. This has room to 140. So if there's anything good today, is are these VAC stocks. So I'm gonna add these just to add them.
All right, so here we go. The market is now open, and I'm gonna play the tape here for you guys and see what's happening. We're looking at KR here. Here is a couple other stocks that I am looking at. Let me mute this so you don't hear double the voice. And then here we go. And let's see, LCID, we're shorting LCID. We have shorted LCID. Alert already went out. We made some money on LCID as well. Here's the real time. Show you guys how that happened right here. So let's play the tape and letting the team know I like to short this LCID under 40, and then we'll maybe add it at a later time, but the stop was right here. So big stop because in the morning there's high volatility, so you got to give 20 more cents on top of what's here, just to cover the volatility. So I said, we're going to keep the stop to about 42 bucks here. So here goes the order. So orders trigger, boom. So I'll show you what happens after that as well. So let's take a look. And let's see, where do we go here? Here we go, BNTX. So this is the BNTX. This is the BNTX trade. I'm going to keep it here, let you guys see what's going on with BNTX. BNTX trade is about to trigger here. You're going to see I'm trying to send an order of 40 shares. The stop was right around $5 with a give and take a little bit of slippage. The 30 shares triggered and 10 shares did not trigger. So we'll see what happens. You're going to see here, I'm going to leave the order of my 10 shares of BNTX for it to trigger. The alert went out to the members. And here's this, I'm going to go back here into before it triggers. Let's see, go back and let it play the tape.
Okay, BNTX, $5 stop. Actually, I'm gonna short it right here. I'm gonna short BNTX at 318. 318 by 322. Oh shoot, it's going right here.
Shorted here a little bit, got a little bit slippage, 30 shares, 10 share did not trigger, and then I left the 10 shares order. I'll show you where that's going to trigger. It's going to trigger here soon, and let's see where it was triggered. There we go. So it triggered, and here's the LCID trade.
There it goes. It's just triggering.
So there we go.
Apple just triggered for us. Guys, let's take profit on LCID. LCID, let's take profit.
Apple, you can see it triggered. Nice move in Apple. We
Come
made
on,
money here.
my platform is LCID. It went to 38. God,
So LCID,
and my
we're gonna
platform.
take profits on LCID right around 38 bucks, and then I'm gonna fast forward here for it was a nice $400 trade to Apple. Nice trade here, a BNTX. So it's just getting started here. BNTX is getting started. We're keeping this on here on BNTX. It's about to it's about to break down. It's about to break down under 300. I'm walking the team through. You see where our stop is right here is breaking down. I'm telling the team, hey, this breakdown 295, take profits here 295, and it's about $900, and we're out right. So right around there. So as you see how we traded this, and then later on I mean before I let the team go, we shorted Myrna, and I'll give you a Myrna as well. So I'm gonna pause this video so you don't have to stay here for too long. But this is not that long because I finished recording, and I'm gonna show you how we shorted Myrna in 1 second. Give me 1 second, and all right, I'm gonna replay this, and you guys hear the sound of how we shorted Myrna.
And it's about to go here. We gotta make it happen right now. There we go. I'm in Myrna. I am in Myrna.
So we
I'll put it
shorted
in
Myrna
right now
here and
in the
covered at
system.
265, and it took a while, but it did just fine.
PG looks
So
good.
enjoy the video. I hope you learned something. If you're interested, check it
Come
out,
on, Myrna. Come on,
playbooktrading.com,
Myrna.
and follow us if you like the trade.